Annyeonghaseyo! Hello once again, my name is Master Daniel Clark, and today we're going to learn a very traditional way of how to learn how to fight. In Korean, it is called Poomsae, which just means a form. They are choreographed punches, blocks, and kicks to teach you how to defend yourself. So, to do these forms, we're going to learn the first one called Kibon. Kibon means beginning or the start. So, we're going to learn that Kibon has two specific types of stances. So, when you get into your first stance, it's going to be called a horse stance. In horse stance, your feet are apart, nice and wide, and your legs are bent. That's very important because one, your horse stance makes you very stable. It's going to be hard to knock you down when you're low to the ground like this. And two, a lot of the forms try to teach you how to be strong and how to condition your legs. So if you notice, if you stand like this for a really long time, your legs will start to hurt because you're using those leg muscles. So once again, horse stance is your feet apart, your legs bent. All right, so stance number 2 is going to be your front stance. This is a very aggressive stance meant to be for going forward and attacking. So in this stance, you're going to start with your feet together. Your one foot, it can be any foot you want, but it's got to move forward and to the side, just like this, right? You don't want to be walking on what I call a tightrope. So if your feet are in a straight line like this or this, it's going to be really hard to keep your balance. It's like you're walking on a balance beam. So instead, again, make sure this foot comes forward and the same foot moves to the side. And most importantly, you're going to take this front leg and you're going to bend it forward. I want you to try to imagine that you're pushing something super heavy. You can try it at home. Maybe go to a wall, put your hands, and try to just push. And you should notice that your feet will naturally go into this position because it's the easiest way to push something super heavy. Okay? So, now with that out of the way, let's go ahead and break down the form of Kibon. So, just like everything, we start at attention, just like this. Hands and feet together. And then we say the form. Say Kibon. Then we say Chumi, which means ready. Bow. Hands up to the center. Step out and to your sides right here. So, first move, what I'm going to do for you to make it easier, because you have to use specific hands, is you are going to start with your left hand. So this one's your left. What I'm going to do for you to make it easier is I'm going to start with the mirrored hand. So I'm going to use this hand. This is my right hand, but you are going to use that left hand. So it's like you're looking in a mirror. So let's start right here, and I'm going to count in Korean. There's going to be 4 of everything, so we'll just count to 4 over and over again. Ready? Hana! Feet out in that horse stance. Take this hand, your left hand, put it across your body, just like a windshield wiper going across your car, coming straight up. This is called a high block. This hand, at the same time, is going to pull back right there, just like you're trying to elbow someone behind you, just like that. So that is your high block. Ready? Duel. Do it again. This hand comes up, high block, this hand back. One more. Set. This hand right here, pull back, straight up, and net. This hand right here, pull back, and straight up. Perfect. You know your high blocks. Congratulations. Next, let's do our inside blocks. Ready? Hana. This hand comes right here, like you're trying to flex your muscle. Show off those guns. Put the hand right across your body just like this. Make sure your fist is right about where your chin is, right here. This hand is pulled back. Ready? Duel. This hand up right here, flex that other muscle. Go across your body just like that. Set. This hand up here, across your body. And net. This hand right here, across your body like this. Good. Next, pretty tricky block called a down block. Ready? Hana! Take this hand, come up all the way around to your opposite shoulder right here, and you're going to drag it down across your body. Boom, right here. This hand pulls back at the same time. Duel! This hand up around right here to your opposite shoulder, straight down. Set! This hand up around to your opposite shoulder, straight down, and net. This hand up around to your shoulder, straight down. Perfect. I hope you're still with me. It's gonna get a little easier now. We're just gonna go straight into punches. So hana, this hand comes straight out. Turn that fist straight out, and then this hand comes right back here. Okay, let's do 3 more. Duel, switch, punch, set, punch, net, punch. Easy, right? Now we're gonna go into high punches. Now be careful. Your high punches need to be where your own head is. I see a lot of my students try to punch way up here. There's no one gonna be up there to punch. You wanna punch straight for the face. So ready? Hana, straight up to your face. Duel, set, and net. Good. Last one. This is where you're going to have to use your front stances. So with your front stances, you're going to step forward with this leg, your left leg, and punch. So step forward, front stance, hana, punch. Duel, step forward, punch. Set, step forward, punch. And net, step forward, punch, and give me a key up. Yeah. All right, and return back to your position. Bada, hands right here, down, to your side, and kunye, down. Good. All right, and that is Kiban.
Thanks for watching. Go to aibtv.com/donate to support programming like this. Your contributions may be tax deductible.